Getting mentioned in the compact car segment is no easy feat, but the Chevrolet Cruze is doing its best. Squeezed into a class that contains almost 24 cars, including 2 recipients of our 2018 10 Best Cars Award, the Honda Civic Sport and the Volkswagen Golf, the Cruze stands out by providing a comfortable ride, a surprisingly large cargo hold, and several high-tech, luxury-adjacent features. Despite those recommendations, the Cruze's powertrains fall short while those of several competitors excel. The entry-level model feels underpowered and lacks verve, while a pricey diesel engine delivers excellent fuel economy but uninspiring acceleration, not a winning combination when fuel prices are low. It's easy to find a satisfactory car in the Cruze's diverse lineup, but true excellence must be sought elsewhere. The 2018 Cruze will look extremely recognizable to any individual who was focusing in 2017. The model lineup saw only 2 or 3 changes this year, another outside shading called Satin Steel Metallic and the new accessibility of the current turbo diesel motor in the lively-looking hatchback demonstrate. Furthermore, some running changes actualized amid the 2017 model year raised the Cruze's NHTSA rating from 4 to 5 stars for both car and hatchback. After an entire overhaul for 2016, Chevrolet kept on adding to the Cruze portfolio. Another hatchback display hit merchant parcels in the fall of 2016, and a diesel car followed in spring 2017. There were likewise minor innovation refreshes, including a teen driver mode, which enables guardians as far as possible on sound volume, set speed cautions, and audit a report card of their adolescent's driving conduct. You could now likewise include a backseat USB port in specific models. The $21,720 Cruze LT, 2 stages up from the base model, offers a convincing arrangement of highlights at a significantly all the more convincing cost. The standard 6-speed manual empties any joy out of the driving knowledge, so the 6-speed programmed is certainly justified regardless of the additional money. We'd select the hatchback as a procedure to make this little auto as reasonable as could be allowed. Standard highlights in the Cruze LT hatchback include 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment framework with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto similarity. Cruise control. Tire weight show. In the event that it's in the monetary allowance, consider the $850 convenience bundle, which includes keyless passage, push catch begin, remote begin, warmed front seats, and an 8-way control movable driver's seat.